ladder's just hanging there. If I'm not going to do it. Started laying in it. Drag her up here. Drop her down. That's it. Yep. All right. Down, yeah. Where do I want to be? About center. We have to look here. Go a little lower. Just a hair. Bolts out of the middle now. They're out. Bring it back. And the tranny cooler lines are off. And did you, what did you tell me to remind you of? The tranny cooler lines. So, you gotta get the jack under the tranny. Yeah, we get we didn't get a piece of think there's. You want to put a block one under that pan, or would it be all right? No, you can go right on the tranny pan. Okay. As long as you don't put much weight on it. Hang on.
Okay, we just closed the gap, so it's up to you, Doug. You can
let me get my another rubber strap here.
Another rubber.
Get this header up. Because this will fall right out of there if I don't. Never did this before.
I would say. You look totally
Yeah.
unexperienced.
Hang on. Yeah, you're up good enough because I'm away at the top pretty good.
Yeah, I know. Are you off your motor mounts to come forward?
Barely.
You're clear on my side here, motor mount. Ooh, good thong.
Pull that over your way, Josh.
The whole thing?
Yep, just like that.
Are these wires gonna come with it? No, they won't. Okay.
There she is. It's out.
Golly.
Can't we pick her up?
Do you need me to hold it anymore?
Just watch you don't hook the wires in the back of the firewall.
Yeah.
As it goes up.
You can pull it towards the radiator. I mean, you got a bunch of room. Oh, you got like 1.5 inches. Yeah, you look pretty clear. I need to know. Sorry, Jerry. Sing it again.
The fucking don't care, man.
She's a beaut.
This is like Sneak Fest coming out of here.
Yep, just enough either side.
Yep.
I've been waiting. Nailed it. Oh. Eek. Ouch.
Fucking wheels are turning.
What do you need me to do?
Pull back on the
Back, you guys watch. Watch his coil.
Good. Up.
Ow. That's just the header.
Hold up on the hood like that.
Got it.
Josh.
Yep, I got her.
As soon as it touches, pull back. Good.
Heads up.
Pull back a little.
Screw it.
Up.
Oh, yeah.
Look, like I said, it's a Sneak Fest.
Hell, I thought I was pushing up on
Gonna go back about now. Now we got it tested.
it. Up.
Okay, back
Back.
a little.
Inch.
Yep.
Not
good.
the radiator. good.
I'm aiming for your foot.
I released the hood. Ooh, look at it.
Girl, I hated to tear you out. Why are you putting water in that cylinder?
Love it. She's a beaut, boo-boo.
Well, I got the water out of it, so it all dried up. Yeah, whatever it was, but there was water in
It's a little wet in there, it looked like. Oh.
it. And it's coming out the fucking cylinder. It isn't coming out the bolt holes.
Yeah, it's not washing here. We were bringing that stand over here. Hook it up.